mga batchmates ng Rafael Palma Elementary School. Ako po si Maria Victoria P. Agorilla. Kilala ng iba bilang Vicky Agorilla sa Facebook, Marivic PA. And some siguro tinatawag akong Ago o Victoria nung bata pa. By the way, take 2 po ito ng video. Kasi akala ko slam book. So nagpakilala ko doon sa unang video. Pero ang message po pala na dapat na i-deliver sa inyong mga batchmates na naririto ngayon is about struggles in life. At ang masasabi ko po ay I'm sure marami ang nagsabing keep it up, magdasal, tumawag sa Panginoon. And tama pong lahat yon. Pero siguro po ang maiiba kong masasabi sa inyo ay kumapit po kayo sa inyong mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak, and sana po sila ay maging good sounding board. Hindi man sila makatulong financially, kasi minsan hindi nila naiintindihan yung tunay na pinanggagalingan ng inyong problema or hindi nyo masabi ng totoo kung ano man yung inyong nararamdaman. It is always good to have somebody na pagsasabihan ninyo, makakausap ninyo, magbibigay ng choices, ng options, ng reminders kung paano lumaban sa buhay. Naranasan ko na po yan. So, I'm sure na sa edad po natin ngayon, marami po tayong pinagdaanan. And look at us, naririto pa rin tayo. So, ibig sabihin, may balak pa sa atin si Lord na magtagal sa lupa. Okay? So, God bless everyone. See you. Kumusta mga classmates? Ako si Maria Victoria P. Agorilla. Grade 6, Section 2, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Kasi alam ko parati akong hindi makagising ng umaga. So, I always chose to be on the afternoon section. Unless there was a time during my 4 years sa Palma na nagpang-umaga ako. Pero hindi ko maalala. Sorry po. Senior moment. Yun pala. So, bale, I only spent 4 years sa Rafael Palma kasi I started my grade 1 and 2 sa Epifanio de los Santos. That was when we moved to Makati ng family ko. Okay, so personal life, I have 2 children, boy and a girl, both married already, and awa naman ng Diyos, nakapagtapos naman sila, yung lalaki sa Lasal, yung babae sa UP Diliman, and both are married na, kaya lang wala pa akong apo, puro mga pets pa lang. Okay, so background from Palma, nag-Arroyo, and then from Arroyo, I went to St. Paul College and in consortium with De La Salle University. So, okay naman yung buhay, saks lang. Kaya lang nung graduate na ako ng college, nagkaroon ng konting problema kasi my brother who was sending me to school, nag-asawa na. So, tinulungan ako ng mga friends ko and classmates nung 4th year, and that was the reason why I was able to finish my college from St. Paul and LaSalle. Other than that, during my corporate life already, by the way, my corporate life was fully spent on IT. No? So I belong to global IT companies like Digital Equipment, Compaq Computer, Lenovo, ATP International, IBM, HP, and my final stint was with NCR Corporation. I'm sure you know most of these companies. And okay lang naman ang life. I just got well, I retired last year, 2023, to pay attention to my thyroid. So, here makikita nyo, kakatapos ko lang ng operation noong September 2, and it was successful naman, thank God. So, yeah, I'm very happy that we could gather together. today. So, kita-kits tayo, and my motto in life is just to be grateful and kind. So, I hope everyone is very much in good health. Thank you. Bye.